No, check. Just want to check back if still tapping or with my internet fucked up again.
Okay, I believe we are ready to start. That's amazing. GM, everyone, welcome to today's Binance Live EMA session. And we are having the Dragon Pro AI team over here talking about AI powered auto trading. This is something I feel like everyone's going to need to use because, come on, we are here in the Web3 space and we want to make some money, right? Okay, and
Yes.
I am going to first invite our very amazing Dragon Pro AI team founder, Ace, to introduce yourself. And I'm revealing ta-da! Our backstage over here with our Binance Live audience. Finally, Ace, welcome to today's Binance Live session. And I like your nickname over here, Mystery Coin. Would you like to introduce yourself to our audience and your project as well? Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ace of Spades on Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. In real life, my name is Elizabeth Powell. I'm doxxed everywhere, so everybody knows who I am. We host a LA Talk radio show every Tuesday night, 6 p.m. for the last 10 months, where we teach people in Web 2 and Web 3 how to trade crypto, how to do analytics, information about crypto, information about AI. My background, just so everybody knows, I've been in Web3 for over 4 years. I've been in crypto since 2016. I have a background with a master's in finance, master's in tech. I've been day trading and, again, involved in Web3 for over 4 years. I got into Web3 because I was working on a project with one of my businesses. I'm a serial entrepreneur, so I have a lot of startups and a lot of corporations. One of my businesses, I was working with NASA on a universal satellite platform that would download satellite imagery into the blockchain and then use it as virtual land on the metaverse. And this was back in 2021. And so I was going around trying to find out how everybody did this in Web3. Web3 was primarily underground then. Everybody was calling NFTs. And I just went in from group to group and started calling plays for fun, like calling what an NFT would run. So I caught like Rare Pepe at 0, a Genuine Undead at 0. And then I started becoming a caller for over 17 different alpha groups. I had a following of about 75,000 people. And I find patterns that are similar. And so that's what I did. I found 75 to 85 different indicators and variables that would make an NFT run, and then also that would make crypto or tokens run. And that's how I got started in Web3. And actually, my very first thing I did was back in 2016. I went to an ATM in Greece because I was traveling the world and bought 20 euros worth of crypto through an ATM BTC machine. So that's actually probably my very first onboarding of crypto.
Wow, that is definitely an amazing journey, and Ace, so proud of you. Next, we are going to invite Joseph over here with a very cool blue dragon head to introduce yourself. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. In attention to detail on the dragon head, this is the logo for our recently launched token AI Base, which is now live on the Base network. Go check it out. Check out our socials. Twitter is at AI Basebot on Twitter. Go check it out. We are live. Check it out. And yes, I'm Joseph. I'm Joseph Grassa. I'm doxxed everywhere, as you can tell my name. I am live with Ace every Tuesday on LA Talk Radio. I have a background in stables trading in cryptocurrencies, sneaker reselling, as well as NFT trading. And I am not a serial entrepreneur, but I have started quite a few businesses within the sneaker industry. And I've migrated myself into meme coins specifically and inputting my input and my strategies and systems into the bot and into this ecosystem and teaching people how to trade and helping them become the trader that they want to be, spending the least amount of time doing it as easy as possible and getting the ROIs that they desire. And thank you so much, Moonlight, for having us.
Wow, that is definitely a very cool goal, right? To help people become the traders that they want to be. I also want to be like that because I saw like when I check some data, right, on Chain, and I could see some very amazing traders. They have earned millions of dollars through trading meme tokens in this cycle. I'm like, oh my goodness, I wish that's me. So today, let's learn from the Dragonport AI team. Let's see how we could use this amazing AI powered auto trading tool. And first, of course, we have a very important question. And we wanted to know about what inspired the team to build in the Web3 space, as well as how did Dragonport AI come to life. Because I know both Ace and Joseph were very busy working on the launch today, right? And we wanted to hear
Yes.
about the story behind the scenes. Thank you.
Yeah. So the other thing I forgot to tell everyone is we launched one of the first AI trading bots over 20 months ago, and it's called AI Signals. It's been around for, there's my voice. It's been around for over 20 months. We built out these bots. 20 months ago, we were the first AI trading bots. AI Signal has a token also. It launched 12 months ago is the token. So our anniversary was December 14th. We hit our 1 year mark on the token, but the bots have been created out over 20 months. And so on AI Base, which we launched today, it's also the other algo, but it's on the Base network. And so, and the Base chain, and the bots were built out over 9 months ago on that one. And just to give you like a couple ROIs that we caught Brett at 5.7K market cap with the Base bot. We have all proof of concept, backtest historicals. You can search through all of our data and verify all the information that I'm giving you. That one caught a 377,000x. So with just a $10 trade, you could gross 3.77 million USD on one trade alone. And then on our ETH network on AI Signals, one of our highest ROIs too was APU, and we caught 116,000x on that one. And again, a $10 trade, it doesn't take a lot of ETH or Base to trade. A $10 trade would gross you 1.16 million USD on $10. You don't have to throw tons of ETH at something. These bots catch 100 to 200 out of 2,500 a day. So there's about 2,500 tokens that are going to launch daily. And we catch about 100 to 200 that we screen through, find the highest probability based off of the 75 to 85 different indicators and variables. And so our bots are scanning all different websites, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, finding different wallets, finding out where the volume is, and then it combines it with AI and then sends the tokens in that are the lowest entry, highest probability that they're going to run. I've been on an hour sleep for nonstop for like the last 3 months. We've been trading so much and building out these bots and getting the devs ready and getting everything prepared and ready for our launch today and Dragon Pro. But the best part of it is we're getting feedback from Web2. And that's the reason why we got involved in Dragon Pro, and we built out this universal trading platform that combines AI with auto trading. Is there's a lot of obstacles and hurdles trying to get into trade. If you're trying to trade, you have to first figure out, how do I buy crypto? And then you have to go to Coinbase and then get verified and do KYC if you're in US. If you're in another country, then you would get verified on whatever your CEX is. And then you have to figure out how to open up a MetaMask wallet or create a MetaMask wallet. This is normally what happens when people are trading crypto. And then you have to figure out, like, okay, if a token comes over, when do I buy it? Where do I buy it? How do I buy it? And then you go to Uniswap, and then you have to look at charts, and then you have to verify that the contract is verified. And then you have to look at the analytics, and you're going to 30 to 50 different websites just to look for one token. And it takes you about 30 days of research before that one token launches. And when it launches, then you're going for 9 hours during research. And the token could have come over, and you would have caught it like a 250K market cap. By the time you're done doing all of your research and you decide to make a trade on it, it might have already ran to 5 million. So what we did is we built out a universal platform combined with AI that has everything inclusive in one platform. It's web-based. You don't have to go for the, you don't have to go looking for the analytics or the charts. You don't have to find TA on another source. Everything is inclusive in one web platform. It's simple and easy to use. It's kind of like the Robinhood of crypto. So what you do is you just sign up with a MetaMask wallet and you log in through that. And now you have your whole entire trading platform available. And if you're beginning all the way up to an advanced trader, it's easy to use. So a 13-year-old can use it, your grandma can use it, somebody who's an advanced trader who's trading consistently every day can use it too. So the basic functions, you're able to see how clean and simple it is. You can see all of your tokens, your whole entire portfolio in color format. You can see your P&Ls. You can set up your entry strategy and your exit strategy. You're able to take stop losses and profit exit out. And then you're also able to look at charts if you want to. It has full TA. It has all the information and all the details that you want. But the best part about it, it's auto trading. It's AI auto trading. So it sets it up so you don't have to watch charts all day. You don't have to decide when to enter and exit. You set up the parameters and it does it for you. And we use our feed from AI Signals that's been built out for over 20 months with backtest historicals and proof of concept. All the data, we have over 200 million points of data that's verified. It's combined with AI. It screens the best entry with the highest return tokens. And we also use AI Base, which launched today. And the ticker on that is $AIBASE. So we just hit like a 1.4 market cap right now. We only launched a couple of hours ago, a 1.4 million market cap. And so you can use those algos and you get to use those feeds so you don't have to go searching for thousands of tokens. You don't have to go searching on hundreds of websites. You don't have to have 10 screens up to see all of your charts and all your information. Everything is there for you. And the best part about it is we're giving out Dragon Pro subscription on the basic level to everyone to try it out for free on the first 30 days. And so when they get a link, they're able to try it out and see how it works and test it out. But we're trying to eliminate these barriers to entry that Web3 and Web2 have. We're trying to demystify and bring more people onto crypto. We're trying to make cryptos easier for other people so they can trade too. And they're not like doing research and having to find training and having to find websites. So that was our goal. Like we found how many hurdles there were to get in. Like when I first came in, I'm like, what's a wallet? How do you do a wallet? I didn't understand any of that. And I had to go to the ATM to buy Bitcoin. And then I got a QR code and didn't know what to do with it. So we make it really, really simple and easy that anybody can trade. They can look at their whole entire portfolio. They can look at charts if they want to. They can set it up for auto so they can do it with 5 minutes of setting up and then go have that freedom to go spend the rest of the day doing whatever you want. And you don't have to watch charts all day. It does it for you.
That is just amazing. AI does the things for us, and we don't have to stay in front of our laptop and check out the on-chain activities all day long, right? Well, guess what? I have been using probably like 5 different trading bots and following or tracking 300 smart wallets, right? And sitting there sometimes for 10 hours in a day. I was like, oh my goodness, I can do this every day. So I can't wait to start to use a Dragon Pro AI, smart AI powered auto trading tool. And well, Ace, actually, do you mind to share your screen and guide us how to do that step by step, since we are going to edit this video later, and this could be a great tutorial, and your holders or your community members are welcome to watch a replay as well.
Well, we have our signups right now. So you can sign up with just a MetaMask wallet. You just log in with your MetaMask wallet, and we're going to give you a URL. You connect your wallet. When you connect your wallet, you just say register. You can add your email if you want to or not. And as soon as you register, you're going to get all the information on the Gitbook, the TG, and our Twitter, and you're going to get your own code. And so it's very, very simple to use. Just so you might want to, if you can show the website and show what it looks like. It's very simple to use. You just connect your MetaMask wallet. You clicked register. There's no KYC. You use a blank wallet. It doesn't need to have any tokens. It doesn't need to have any ETH, no base. It doesn't cost to sign up. You just click on it. You say connect your wallet, register now, and you're going to get your own QR code or your own URL that you can refer other people out to too. So the benefit is if you're one of the first ones signing up for this, we're pre-registering everybody for the trading platform right now. Our AI signal bots are live. Our AI base bots are live. The trading platform is doing pre-registration. And if you refer anybody out, you're going to get a stream of passive income on ETH on other people that you sign up. So we're doing this for a limited time. The people that sign up, people with their own code, will get the referral code also, and then they can refer it to other people. And the wallet that you signed up with will get deposits of ETH monthly based on whoever signed up under you. And they cannot sign up with anybody else because they have to log in with the same wallet to get access to their account. So you're going to get passive income for the time that we're granting it for all the people in the beginning that sign up with us. So it's very, very, very simple to use. And it's going to give you all the detailed information. It's going to give you your whole entire portfolio. It will give you charts, AI, algos, stop losses, set it up. You can manually exit out of your positions if you want to. Your top tokens will come to the top. So if a token comes back to life, normally we have like 300 different wallets being traders, right? And we may have, if we're using a normal sniper, we can only look at 20 tokens at a time. And so if a token comes back to life, we don't even know. We're like, oh, is it wallet number 73? Is it wallet number 120? I can't remember. We caught MOG on the revival. MOG was at 15 mil on the revival. We caught it on the first day, I think at 40K. And then when we caught it on the revival, it was at 15 mil. It ended up going over $1 billion now. And it's listed on the exchanges. So on this platform, if MOG came back to life, it would pop up onto the top of your screen, and you know that one of your tokens are back to life again. It shows you all of your tokens in descending order so that you can look at everything. If you go into a normal sniper on TG, you can only see 20 tokens at a time. You can see your whole entire portfolio and your P&Ls and your daily report, your monthly report, your annual report. You can get P&L screenshots sent out so people can know how profitable you are in trading. You're able to do all these different functions. And we have about 20 other new features coming out. So when the release comes out, we'll announce the next ones on the release. We trade on ETH. We trade on Base. Sol is going to be the next one coming out. And then we're also going to have an NFT trading platform. So right now we have ETH and Base. We're doing pre-registration, but it makes it simple, easy to use. Everything's inclusive. It's all included on the same platform. Super easy to sign up. You just take a blank MetaMask wallet, you register with that, and then you're already registered.
Nice. And is it possible to sign in and let us to take a look at the platform that you were mentioned about? What would that going to be like? And also, is it okay to share the link publicly with our Binance Live audience as well?
Yeah, we can share one of our referral links in so they can sign up.
Cool.
As per going into the platform and checking it out, it is not actually publicly released yet.
Mm-hmm.
That will
It's
be
all
released.
pre-registration. Yeah, we have
Exactly.
pre-registration right now, and then it'll turn live, but there's no cost to sign up.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need tokens. You don't need ETH. It doesn't cost gas to sign up. You just log in with your MetaMask wallet. Pre-registration, you're going to get a referral code also, and you can refer it out to your friends too, and then get passive income on ETH in the very beginning. And yes, we will send a code in. Joseph, can you send it on Discord?
Yes, I can.
Okay, great.
Nice.
And
And
then
do we know when exactly will this go live that everyone can start to use
it's
it?
pretty soon. We launched Base today. That's part of the tools that are used in the platform. We have auto trading live feature tools that have these AI bots that have been built out for over 20 months. And we have traders that are holding AI, there's my voice, AI signal. They're staked. And then now they also have AI Base because we launched today. So they staked both of their tokens. They get access to the live stream feed that has the first market cap on all of the tokens that get pinged. And they're able to set it up so that they automatically buy this stream of tokens that come in. Again, we have about 100 to 200 tokens a day. They set up their platform so that they trade. They put about $1,000 worth of USD in the ETH in there. They trade $10 on each token. 100 tokens come in, and we're catching ROIs between 2x to, again, 377,000x. And so they can set up their own risk levels. So when they buy It'll automatically buy as soon as it gets pinged. They can set up a de-risk if they want to exit out as soon as it hits a 2x and exit out at 50%. They can do that. They can exit all of their tokens at 2x if they wanted to. They could hold their tokens until it hit 100x and let the other ones fall off. They could let their tokens go all the way to 1000x. Each person has their own risk tolerance. And so you set up the trading platform based off of your risk tolerance. Some people only want 5% annually, right? That's the savings accounts right now. We catch 5%, no problem. But like if you want to catch 2x's only, then you would set up your exit at only 2x. If you wanted to de-risk as soon as it hit a 2, take out 50%, right for free, keep your same money, trade over and over again on your same money, and then take your profits out. You can do that too. You can set it up the way you want to. And then you also can set up stop losses. So if it drops below a certain amount, it'll exit out for you too.
Wow, that's really cool. Thank you so much. Yes, and everyone already post the registration link. It's an invitation link, and feel free to copy or type it and then paste it to any browser. And wow, nice. So I am connecting over here and I can't wait to see it go live, and so I could start to use this amazing AI powered auto trading tool. Wow. Have you ever considered to make it an app so that we could conveniently trade while we are on the go?
Well, here's the thing. I'm traveling all the time. In fact, I'm traveling right now.
Always
I've
traveling.
I've done
Easy.
35 countries. I did 28 countries in 2.5 years right before COVID.
Wow.
I always trade from my phone. So the phone is laptop friendly, desktop friendly, and mobile friendly. You can trade from your phone with the URL. So
Nice.
everything is in your screen. You just push the buttons as you go along. You can see all your charts. You can trade from your phone. There's no issues with that. I built it out because I'm always on the go. I have over 200 AI bots. And so I'm always somewhere different. I was in Hawaii 2 months this year, in the Caribbean for 4 months, in Florida for a month. Again, I did over 35 countries, and I always trade from my phone. So we made it so it's mobile friendly, desktop friendly, and also laptop friendly. And so you're able to do it with just a touch screen, and you can exit out of your trades the way you want to. You can set it up. You can look at charts. You can do your stop losses, everything from your phone or from wherever you want to set up. You can have 5 screens if you want to, but it's very mobile friendly.
That is amazing. Mobile friendly is something that we all love to hear about. Thank you so much, Ace, for the explanation. That's definitely solved the question from me and also from our audience, because I believe we start to see our audience start to try and log in, right, and connect with their MetaMask wallet. And the next question I would like to talk about is what are some common struggles that traders might face, and how does Dragon Pro AI address to those issues? And especially both of you are kind of like professional traders already, right?
Yes.
I would say so.
So we've been trading a long time. Like we've been predicting ETH, every single target it's hit for the last 4 months in our chats. Again, our main token that we first launched was called AI Signals. We were the first AI trading bots over 20 months ago, before any of these other AI traders came out or any of these other AI bots came out. My bots have been generating art, memes on Twitter and TG for over 20 months. My bots have been having communication with my voice and talking to people in our chat and giving information and detailed information. And those are just our low-level AI bots. So these are very high-level trading bots that we have. Again, my background is in tech, and I've been working with NASA, and my master's is in finance, and I've been trading. So we made sure that the algos were clean. They were built out over 20 months ago. We did beta testing on it first for 6 months. We brought in a group of testers before we released it to the public. We have all the data, over 200 million points of data. You can search through all the information and verify it. So we have AI signal bots, and then we have AI base bots. Those are both tokens now. And then so we found that the biggest thing being a caller and analyst and teaching people how to trade is the hardest part is they don't know when to enter. They don't know when to exit. They'll wait for all of their friends. So they may see a token, all their research for 30 days, and then a token comes available. they find out about the token, and then by the time they hear about it, it's already at 250K or 500K market cap. And then they're like deciding, should I enter, shouldn't I enter? They wait for their friends, and their friends go, oh, we're getting in on this token. Okay, maybe I'll enter. Let me think about it. Now more people are talking about it, and it's at 1 million. Well, okay, I see them posting on Twitter. Should I enter? Should I not enter? And then they wait and they wait. Now it's at 5 million, and then they buy. So our bots would find it at 10K, and you only have to hit a 20K market cap to catch your 2X. By the time you enter and it's at 5 million, you have to hit 10 million to catch your 2X. So we're finding out that most people have human error. They have psychological resistance. They have overthinking and to make a decision on entering to a trade or not. And we're going off of stats, data, probability, based on the numbers on what is the safest to enter and based on the probability where you should exit. And so all this was incorporated on the system and the strategy with the AI in the trading platform based off of the data. And so based off of the data, if you enter into a trade and you're getting in at 10K market cap, you only have to catch a 20K market cap to catch your 2X. So if you enter into the trade and you only do $10, and as soon as it hits a 20K market cap, you exit at the $20, you take out your initial 10. Now you're riding on profit for free on the other 10. And now if it catches 100X, you made $1,000. If it goes to zero, you're at break even because you ended up de-risking, pulling out your initial, and it's riding for free. Now, the biggest complaint has always been they enter too late at an all-time high, and then they get emotionally attached, and as they see the resistance hit, they end up selling, and then they end up selling at the bottom. So this is incorporating, like, reversing the strategy, using AI, taking the emotion out, using data and probability. So if you enter into the trade at $10, and as soon as it hits 20K, you exit out, take your 50%, you ride for free on your 10, and then you can go on each profit stops. As soon as like it hits a 4X, you can take out another 50%. As soon as it hits a 10X, you can take out another 50% because you're writing for free. So it's all based on data. And we know that most people take a long time to make a decision. They get emotionally involved, and then they're trading based off of emotion. They're just throwing ETH and base at random plays, hoping that they're going to catch a win. But if you use statistics, you're going to win. And if you make sure that you're safe and you de-risk, you're going to win. The goal is to trade on the same money over and over and over again, de-risk, take out your initials, ride for free, and catch those long shots.
Got it. Very smart. Wow. Thank you so much for sharing the strategy, right? For all traders. So, friends, well, just like what A said, right? Sometimes we just like took too long to make decisions. And I have heard some friends saying that, well, in the cycle, if we want to catch a good mean, right, at the very right moment, we need to lower our IQ maybe to IQ 50, right? So we won't think too much and we'll just catch it. Okay. And
well, this is the good thing is we're using AI, and AI is like an IQ on steroids combined with the system and the strategy. So it's even better than like not and then taking emotion out.
Exactly. Thank you so much. And yeah, I have so some audience saying that they can register using a different wallet. Friends, well, MetaMask. Okay, right now connecting to MetaMask, even though the screen might pop up different.
No, you can use different wallets.
Oh, really?
Just make sure it's not like your Binance or something. Yeah. It gives you the different types of wallets you can use. I'm using MetaMask as an example because it's not KYC. Just use a clean wallet. Doesn't need to have any ETH. Doesn't need any gas. It doesn't need any tokens in it. You can register with a clean wallet, and it'll tell you the type of wallets that you can use.
Nice. Okay, great. So just cannot use. How about the Binance Web3 wallet? We should give it a try to see if it will work. Yes, because recently we just guide our audience how to use Binance Web3 wallets. It's a product that the Binance team are promoting really hard lately. Right? We have a Binance Alpha as well. So hopefully we can catch the next alpha like Mug, right? Through the help
Awesome.
of Dragon Pro AI's tool. And the following question, before we go to the following question, we are going to check with Joseph. Do you want to add any information over here? How does Dragon Pro AI address some issues that the traders frequently face? Thank you.
The only thing I can add is that it was built to be able to use by anybody of any trading level. You could be from advanced to a beginner. Everybody can use it, and it's super simple to use. All you need to do is click a few buttons, and registration is super easy. We have a walkthrough video that we have ready for anybody who's struggling, who doesn't know how to set up a MetaMask. We have a walkthrough for you. Everything is all set up and ready for you to go. We made it super simple, super easy to use. And the goal is to onboard the masses. The goal is to get Web2 involved. And we're making very large steps towards it. And we've noticed that every Tuesday night when we go on our LA Talk Radio, we see a rally in the ETH price and in the cryptocurrency prices. So we have been making an impact. And we feel like this is our chance to really onboard Web2 into Web3 and to get them introduced in the best way possible by giving them a simple and easy way to get involved, a safe way. Everything has been security checked. Everything is very, very locked down. So there's no worries. Everybody can enjoy crypto and Web3 with worry-free, just worry-free Web3. I think that's going to be the new saying, worry-free Web3. Dragon
Nice.
Pro AI.
Nice. Yes.
It's to help people trade. It's when Robinhood first came out, before to buy stocks, you would have to buy 100 shares of stock. You would have to go through your broker. You would have to verify and show that you had assets. And then you would have to buy 100 shares of stock. And then Robinhood comes out and you can buy 10% of one stock. So they made it simple and easy to use so you didn't have to jump through a lot of hurdles. So we're basically the Robinhood of crypto trading platform, where you're able to just log in with a wallet. You can see your whole entire portfolio. You can click a buy button, you buy, click a sell button, you sell, click whatever your algo is. If you want to de-risk, it'll automatically do it for you. If you want to enter into the trade and make sure you have a stop loss, it does that for you. You don't have to watch charts all day long. You don't have to know how to trade. You just set up what you want on your parameters. You can see all the tokens, see the charts, see TA if you want to do that, but it exits out on profits for you. So if I went to go buy Tesla and I went to my broker and I said, okay, I want to buy Tesla at $100. I know it's higher than that now. And as soon as it hits $400, I want you to sell it for me. So the broker would take the order, you would buy it for $100. As soon as it hits $400, they sell it for you. Well, this AI automatic trading bot does this for you. You don't need a broker. You don't need to tell them to do it. There's nothing like that out here right now. When people are trading crypto, they have to be on their computer all day long. They have to manually set up and buy and exit. They have to watch a chart, and then if they see the chart go up, then they have to decide if they're going to exit or not. This, as soon as it hits those targets, it does it for you. So it's like your own AI virtual broker that will do all of the trading for you based on your parameters, on your risk level, and what you want to do. We're making it easy so anybody can trade crypto. That's been the biggest obstacle, is trying to get in, figure it out, and how to trade. And we've been teaching people for 10 months. And yes, it's been complicated for everybody, but we've been doing it so long, we know what we're doing. But everybody that comes in, they're like, I have no clue how to trade. I have no clue how to get ETH into my wallet. I don't know how to buy meme coins. Where do I buy meme coins? I don't know where to do this. So everything is here, inclusive for you. It's free to sign up, pre-registration right now. If you do a referral code, you're able to refer others out too. When we go live, you can see all of the fun things that it does, how easy it is, and how we're going to change Web3 to make it easy for everybody.
Wow, that's really, really nice. Yes, the vision from our Dragon Pro AI team is amazing. Thank you so much, Ace and Joseph, for adding those information. And well, so since we already kind of like went over how it worked, right? And do you mind to compare Dragon Pro AI with other trading bots or trading tools in the market right now? What make it stand out? What make it different compared to other products? Thank you.
Sure, of course. So right now, if you're using a sniper, most of the snipers are on Telegram. And so you have to figure out how to set up the wallet. You have to figure out how to set up the trading. When you go in and you log in on a Telegram bot, it will only show you 20 of your tokens at a time. So if you're trading more than 20 tokens, you have to search through all of your wallets and find out what tokens you have. You have to see if they're profitable or not. You have to watch charts, and you have to decide if you're going to enter into a trade based off of a chart on another website or going on to DEX, or you have to go into analytics and find out the information. And then you have to decide when you're going to enter. And then you also have to watch charts to decide when you're going to exit out. And you have to do this all manually. And you can only see 20 at a time. So what we've done is we've simplified it where you don't have to jump through all these hoops to sign up. You don't have to set up all these parameters. You don't have to watch charts all day long. That's what the only way to trade on those. On those portfolios, you can only see 20 tokens at a time. So you have to keep manually watching all of your portfolio and going from wallet to wallet to wallet and see if something came back to life. Like if we had MOG and it was in wallet number 73 and I was trading on snipers and MOG came back to life, I'd have to go searching through all of my wallets and go, oh, where did I buy MOG at? I remember buying it about 2 months ago, but I can't remember what wallet it's in. And then you're searching through all of your wallets to find it. You have to import your wallets. You have to import your tokens to find it. And then when you finally do find it, it might have already ran up and ran down. This way, everything's in front of you. You can see your whole entire portfolio. If something starts to run and it comes back, it'll pop up to the surface and you know it's live again. And then you can manually exit out. You can take positions off of it if you want to, or you can keep positions live. So it's basically combining all the perks and benefits and all the best things about trading in stocks, bonds, futures, options. It's taking all the best things about crypto. It's taking all of the different resources and combining it into one to make it user friendly. And so that you can see your whole entire portfolio, you can trade smart and you can be profitable.
Nice. This is definitely something that I want. And I believe our Binance Live audience also wanted to use products like Dragon Pro AI. And friends, if you want to give it a try, it's free registration right now. Please use the link that we shared on Binance Live over here. And I'll double check with Joseph if you wanted to add any additional information. What makes the product Dragon Pro AI stand out? Thank you.
It's simplicity. At the same time, it's complexity and its attention to detail and the needs of the users, the needs of ourselves as you said, professional traders coming and transitioning from stocks, bonds, ETFs, and other ventures into meme coin trading, taking our experience from our 2+ years each combined of meme coin trading and putting it into this platform so that people can use it and people can benefit from the strategies and systems that we've implemented to make the most out of their experience and to be the most profitable that they can, all by also learning. And all the strategies that we teach are able to be implemented in other areas of life, in other businesses, such as real estate. You can do sneaker sales like I did. You can even do drop shipping. Everything that we talk about and all the strategies that we teach are universal. And it's a big benefit for you to come in. And this is a great way to get started. All you need to do is have $10 if you want to start trading, and sign up is completely free. Completely free. Like we've said and we've reiterated over and over again. Like, sign up is completely free.
We're getting signups for free right now. So for the people that sign up right now and use the registration link, they get to try it out for free.
Which means,
but the biggest thing we want to just reiterate is, like, you can tell that we're very analytical, we're very detail oriented, complex.
Yeah.
And so we've done that on the back end. And so we've taken all this complexity that is part of trading, and we've combined it with AI on the back end, which means the computers and the AI and the clouds are doing all the work for you. And then the front, it's like playing a video game. It's simple and easy to use. I know we make it sound really complex. It's because we're very detail oriented. We're very analytical. We watch charts. We know when to enter. We know when to exit. We know how to trade. We see what happens with tokens. We catch these high ROIs, and we make it sound like it's really complex. because normally trading is very complex. If you're going to be profitable, you have to know what you're doing. So instead, what we did is we taken all this knowledge, combined it with AI, has it scrape all these data points, all these websites, everything, and then combines it on the back end where the AI does it in the back end to make sure you get the best type of token and the best type of return. And when you look at it, you see how simple our registration is. You'll just see your token, you say buy, sell, exit, and it's very simple and easy to use because all the complexity is built into the software and the computers and the snipers. But on the front end, it's easy to use where a 13-year-old can use it and a grandma can use it. It's very, very simple and easy to use on the front end because we've taken all this detail and analytics, combined it with AI, and made it simple for everybody.
Nice. Thank you so much, Ace, for adding the information. And well, we would like to also ask you, can you share any extra functions that have been built into the platform? And will there be upgraded memberships or subscriptions for those features? And just like you say, right now, the pre-registration is free, right? How about later? Will the users be charged for something? Thank you.
Yeah, so we're letting everybody use it on the signups right now. They get the first month and the basic for free. If you're signing up early, we will probably extend the basic part of the subscription. But the best part about it is we have on the base function, if you enter into the trades manually, you can set up your exit strategy on it, and you can set up the algo and modify it every day. So say we have a big run in tokens right now and they're highly profitable and a lot are hitting 500 or 1000x. You can change your exit strategy based on what's going on in the market. And so now we say, okay, now we want to just hit 500x's. So we're going to wait until it hits a 500x, then we're going to exit. And you can set it up that way. If the market is really tight and so you only want to catch a 2x, then you can set it up so you only catch a 2x and you exit out that way. So you can modify it that way. We do have upgraded subscriptions that have live algo free feeds, live algo feeds of tokens streaming in where it screens out those 100 to 200 out of 2,500 a day. It narrows it down to the top 100 to 200. We also have an algo feed on an upgraded subscription where it pings only the revivals. So if Mog comes back to life, you'll get notified before anybody else knows about it. If Pepe comes back to life, you'll get notified before anybody else does too. So we have a revival feed on an upgraded subscription that you can use. And so you can set up the auto trader where it'll buy it as soon as it starts to notify, and you'll enter into the trade, and then you can set up your exit strategy on that. Or you can do it where you're just going to hold because it's a revival. It came back to life. So revival means it's a token that's over a day old, 7 days old, 30 days old, and sometimes over a year old. And so a lot of these tokens that are coming back to life end up getting listed on CEX. Like Mog, Pepe, Chill Guy, they're all getting listed on CEX. And so they'll start pinging because people are like, oh, this has a potential to go back onto the majors. So I'm going to buy it now while nobody really knows about it. And we'll catch it and know that it's coming back to life and that people have an interest, and maybe there's rumors going around and they're starting to buy it, but nobody else knows that they are. My bots pick up that information. And so you'll get that feed that it's coming back to life, that it's about ready to have a volume and a pump in the market on that token. And so you can get that algo feed too. So these are the upgraded subscriptions because we've been doing these AI bots again for over 20 months. It has all the data. It's finding the lowest entry on new pairs. It's finding revivals when they come back to life. It's predicting when ETH and BTC is going to run. And so it's going to ping in on these different feeds, and you can upgrade your subscription based off of that information too. But a lot of the features and functions that we have do not exist on any other trading platform, do not exist on any sniper. It's a multifaceted trading platform that combines AI. It has sniper capabilities. You can bribe it to get front run. So you don't get front runs, but you're ahead of everybody else. We catch the lowest entries so that there's basically no competition anyway. And then you can also set up your entry strategy. You can set up stop losses. You can set up profit exits in increments, like at a 2x, a 10x, a 100x, whatever you want to do. You can take it off manually. So say you catch MOG and you don't want it to go on an exit strategy, you can manually take it off of the auto trader. You can see charts and analytics and TA, it's all built in there. So it has a lot of different functions and features that do not exist on any other trading platform out there. And it has multifaceted, but everybody gets to experience it and try it out. And then if you want to do the upgraded features, you can do that too.
Wow, that's definitely really nice. Thank you so much for letting us know there are so many different options. Right? We could choose whether to upgrade and enjoy extra functions on Dragon Pro AI. Well, to be honest, I really can't wait to see the platform. I already registered, and yeah, just going to keep letting the page over there until I got notification that it is officially launched and can start use. And we're a bit over time, but I still wanted to double check with Ace and Joseph. Do you have some time to answer our audience questions over here on Binance Live?
Sure.
Nice. Let's go over here. And of course, when we are connecting to a new platform, right, people are wondering about security. Can you share with us what type of security measures that Dragon Pro AI has already done, or any audit being complete for the platform? Thank you.
Sure. We have consistent audits going on. And when you're registering, I always recommend to register with a clean wallet, which means no tokens, no ETH, nothing in it. And the reason being is most of us, you're not going to have an issue with our security, but you may have an issue with another link. So say hypothetically, you have your normal wallet that you use, and you decide to click on a link, and that's like your wallet that's attached that you normally trade on. You could have a breach on that wallet from an outside source that has nothing to do with our platform. So if you're using a clean wallet, which has no tokens, no ETH, nothing, you're not going to be logged in on the wallet unless you're trading on it. So that way it keeps it separate out from there. We also have our wallets are encrypted. You will get your PKs. They're stored on the cloud, but they're encrypted. Just like MetaMask, if you lose your PKs, you're responsible for it. So that's your private keys. You're responsible for your own private keys. We cannot give you your private keys. Nobody else can access your private keys. They're stored up on the cloud and they're encrypted, so nobody can use them. We also have dedicated nodes for speed. I didn't bring that up earlier, but we have dedicated nodes for speed on the stop losses, on the sniper. We're as fast or faster than a lot of the snipers out there too, because of what we're doing. But there is audits in place continuously. We have everything encrypted. Things are stored on the cloud. Nobody has access to any of the information. You are responsible for your own information, just like you are on MetaMask or your other sources of wallets. And then we prefer that you come in with a clean wallet, so that if you're using your wallet for trading on some other source and you decide to click on a malicious link that's outside of us, that stays out there. If you have a clean wallet, there's no need for you to give authorization on our wallet.
Got it. Thank you so much for letting us know about that. And Joseph, do you want to add anything in terms of security of the Dragon Pro AI platform? Thank you.
In terms of security, I think Ace covered everything. It's super locked down, super secure. Audits are run consistently. Always make sure you log into any new platforms with a blank wallet, a fresh wallet, no ETH. It's super simple to start a fresh wallet in MetaMask. Sign up with that, and then that's going to be your login, and then everything else is super locked down. All your PKs, your private keys for long term, PK is short form for private key, are encrypted in the cloud, and no one can access it. Not even the team, no one in the backend can access it. It is locked, and you have to save it yourself. Only you and yourself can access it, and you should not save that anywhere. Yeah, and that's basically it. The basic spiel for keeping your wallet safe. Don't give anyone don't give anyone your credit card. You don't want to have it. Mm-hmm. Don't give anyone your banking information. Don't give anyone your private key, and then you'll be completely fine.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Joseph, for the additional information. And the next, we also have audience curious about how about the referral reward? How does it calculate for them? Thank you.
Sure. So we have different tier levels. We call them keys, basically. And so we're giving everybody the free month sign up right now if you're using the code. You'll generate your own code that you can refer out to your friends, family, and whoever you want to, so that they can sign up too. The only way to sign up on the platform right now is you have to have a code. You can't just go log in by yourself. You have to have a code. So whoever signs up under you, they can only sign up once because they have to use the same wallet to log in, or they'll lose their whole entire portfolio. So the way that you get into your portfolio is with your one wallet, right? And then our platform generates other wallets for you, generates PKs for you. You write those down, you keep those separate so that everything's encrypted up in the cloud. Again, like we said, nobody can access it. So make sure that you store that safely and securely. But the way to log in is on a blank MetaMask wallet. And so when you give a code to somebody else, if they have trading volume, and you'll get a percentage of their fees, and it's automatically deposited into your original wallet every month with ETH. So we don't do airdrops, we don't give out tokens, we give ETH on the referrals. And so the general public that are getting it right now that have the codes will get their ETH returned. And when they have a subscription model, they'll get continuous ETH as long as they're in the subscription model. But all the people that are putting it out right now are going to get ETH put into their wallet on the referral codes, and then also get it as long as we keep it live. And then if they upgrade, then they can keep their rewards continuously. So the only way to sign up, again, like we said, is you have to have a code to sign up. And then you'll get your own code, you give it to your friends, and then you'll get a percentage on their trading fees and volume.
Nice. Thank you so much for letting us know about that. So still, yeah, can't wait until it's officially launched. And before wrap up the session, do you guys have any additional information like you want to share with our audience over here? Thank you.
Well, the biggest thing is go ahead and also check out AI Signal. So that's one of the AI trading bots that have been around for over 20 months. We were the first AI trading bots. It's part of the algo for Dragon. The other one is AI Base, and that just launched today on the token. So it's AI Base bot. Go check it out also. It's been built for over 9 months. It's the one that caught Brett with a 377,000x. It's also one of the algo feeds in the subscription. The AI Signal caught APU, which is 116,000x. We catch about 100 to 200 tokens a day on that algo. It screens through the best tokens to get with the highest probability out of 2,500 tokens that launch. It whittles it down to the 100 to 200 with the highest probability that they're going to run. So that's the algo feeds are from AI Signal, which is a token. So it's AISIG, AI Sig. And then the other one is AI Base, AIBASE on Base. That token launched today. But the bots are live. You can use the bots right now and trade manually with them. Once the Dragon Pro becomes live, you can trade it with the algo on the auto trader. So the best way to get in to get these early tokens, get these revivals, find out when ETH and BTC is going to run, catch the early 5K market caps with a 300,000x return, is to get into AI Signal and to AI Base, because it's the algos that feed into the auto trader, that feed into the sniper, the multifaceted platform. Nobody out there has an algo feed that has the highest returns like we do with the lowest entry, and nobody out there has an auto trader based off of the mean. So if you're entering into Dragon, you all get to try it out. You get to try the platform. But if you want the algo fee, go check out the bots on AI Signal and AI Base.
Nice. Thank you so much, Ace, for sharing those information with us. And how about Joseph? Would you want to add anything else that we haven't covered yet? Thank you.
No, I think we've covered everything. Unless Ace has one last thing she wants to mention, I think we have gotten through absolutely everything that we need to say. Actually, wait, I can say this. Check out our socials at AI Basebot on Twitter, at Dragon Pro _AI, and at AI Signal Bot on Twitter. Those are our socials. And then jump in our TG. Links are all in the bios.
Nice. Thank you so much just for letting us know about that. And friends, be sure to follow Dragon AI Pro on X, and you can also easily find their X handles on the banner. Also, well, yes, I almost forgot to mention, but we are being featured on the front page of Binance Live, and I'm going to share my screen as well right now because I want to let everyone to see it. Let's go. Right, click on, well, actually go to Binance.com, right? Wherever you are, and then find the live session. You are going to see us, or if you have access to the app, you can also find the app section. We are being on the very top, right over here. It's the front page and featuring. And we will also have replay later. On top of that, our team will edit today's AMA session to a shorter version, more condensed one. We have everything like you wanted to learn about Dragon Pro AI, at least AI powered auto trading tool, which is super amazing. Once again, friends, if you haven't registered yet, be sure to do that. And we have a link put over here for everyone on Binance Live. Thank you so much, Ace and Joseph, for joining us today. We should have a great rest of the day. I know you guys are busy, so I won't keep you too long. Yeah, I know you
Thank
guys are
you.
super busy. So thank you so much for
Thank you
spending
so
time
much.
with us.
Yeah, thank you for your time. It's been wonderful. Thank you again.
Thank
And
you.
awesome on the front page. That's great. Thank you.
I will take a screenshot of that and share it with you. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great rest of the day. Thank you.
You too.
Okay.